Indonesia is a fascinating and diverse nation located in Southeast Asia. Lying between the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean, it is the world's largest archipelago, made up of more than 17,000 islands, including famous ones like Java, Sumatra, Bali, and Borneo. One location, Indonesia, stretches across the equator, giving it a warm, tropical climate. It borders countries such as Malaysia, Papua New Guinea, Timor-Leste, and is close to Australia. 2. Land area. Indonesia covers a total area of about 1.9 million square kilometers, making it one of the largest countries in the world by land size. 3. Population with over 275 million people. Indonesia is the fourth most populated country globally. The majority of the population lives on the island of Java, which is one of the most densely populated places in the world. 4. Government. Indonesia is governed as a presidential republic. It has a president who serves as both the head of state and the head of government. The country also has a parliament and multiple political parties. 5. Security. Indonesia maintains strong national security with a well-organized military and police force. The country is generally peaceful, although some regions face challenges such as natural disasters because Indonesia sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire. 6. Economy. Indonesia has one of the largest economies in Asia. Key sectors include agriculture, manufacturing, mining, oil and gas, and services. It is also a member of the G20, showing its significant role in global economic development. 7. Tourism. Tourism is a major part of Indonesia's economy. Every year, millions of visitors come to explore its unique culture, beautiful landscapes, and friendly people. 8. Main tourist attractions. Indonesia offers countless attractions, but some of the most famous include Bali, beaches, temples, culture, and nightlife. Borobudur Temple, the world's largest Buddhist temple. Komodo National Park, home of the Komodo dragon. Raja Ampat Islands, one of the world's best diving spots. Mount Bromo, a spectacular active volcano. Lake Toba, the largest volcanic lake in the world. Jakarta, a vibrant capital city with modern and traditional experiences. Jogja, Center of Javanese culture and art.